Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Chris. Today's my third day having my braces. Still hurts a lot. Well, not a lot. I guess it only hurts a little bit, but it still hurts, especially around this tooth and some of these back sensitive teeth. But I have found a good way to put my rubber bands on pretty fast. I mean, it's not 100%. But a good tip, if you have a car, put some rubber bands in your car. I have two bathrooms. I got one upstairs in my apartment and one downstairs in the house. So I keep one in there, one back here, and then one in my grandfather's truck, just in case I go anywhere with him. But you know what? I think I got a better idea. Let's put you guys right here. Can I zoom in? No, I can't. But I'll go ahead and take them off and show you guys the tips I've learned and tricks. Need a flashlight. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. So, go ahead and take them off. Can't do it when I'm looking at something. Ow. Hold on, I can't look at this. I can't. Where are we at? Oh, actually, crappy. I see. And I never had. I just read back and pull it backwards. I don't have my retainer case in here, so we'll do a separate video for that. But to get my rubber bands in, I just take my first guy out right here. Cut it on the back nice and easy. Good like that. Pop it back again. See where we're at. Right here. Go under and then over. Pop it down. And then not only get stuck like that, so I just run it through. That's the first one. I can't do it and I can't see. I can't do it when I'm looking at the camera. Same deal. Ta-da. That easy well, it's not that easy. It actually takes a second. Normally I get this one on first, or this one on first, and then do this one. Because this side is actually the more sore side, so when it pops, it just, I guess it hurts for like a quarter of a second, if that. That's one trick I've learned, and then the second is these, when I got my wisdom teeth pulled a couple months ago, they gave me this little tube. It's kind of like a water flosser. Oh my goodness. Kind of like a water flosser like I have, but it just looks like this with the... Oh, it's like a medicine thing. If you know what that is, you squirt medicine in your mouth, whatever. There it goes, and then you just hit it from the top, hit it from the bottom, and it got actually... I had a little bit of food because I ate some hard-boiled eggs because I can't really eat anything yet because my teeth actually are super sensitive. So the things I've learned I can eat today, or the last couple of days, I've been eating like fruit out of a cup, like what are they called, like mixed cherries with pineapple and stuff. because you can kind of just swallow it. Haven't eaten any gummies that really, I mean, I probably shouldn't, but haven't eaten any of that. I've eaten some hard-boiled eggs because you can take it, break it into pieces really easy, and then just swallow it whole if you can't chew. A couple of things. I've got these nifty little, I'm sure everybody's had these at one point. They're little PB&Js. I take these, and what I've been doing is kind of cutting them up. Before I heat them up, I heat them up for 30 seconds. I cut them up into little squares because they're frozen, but I keep them in my fridge. And actually, you just dip it in some milk, or you can just do it normally, and it gets really soft, and you can just eat it. I mean, I found that to be one of the best things I've done so far, was that. With brushing, I don't have, I guess I'll use this. I found out the easiest is to brush from like this. So your bristles get under your braces. And it kind of helps keep the inside clean. I mean, it doesn't really do a perfect job unless you do top and bottom that way. I mean, I don't recommend doing it in the first couple of days because, like I said, my teeth are super sensitive still. So it kind of hurts a little bit, but really not that bad. Put this back. And I have found, welcome back. These little, I'll open one because I got my other one downstairs. Little brushes they give you. You can buy these at Walmart. I think they were $3 for a pack at 6. But really helping getting in there, kind of like in the creases. You can't really get in your teeth, but it definitely helps getting food and stuff from right in there. These have probably been the best. I'll wash that off before I put it back. These have been a big help with brushing my teeth, and I haven't needed any wax yet. I really haven't experienced any rubbing except for here. But pro tip, I mean, if you have an overbite like mine, pro tip, put some chapstick on before you go to bed. Like, I woke up the last couple of days. You guys can't see it. But, like, I'll wake up in the morning and my lips are so chapped because I'm used to sleeping like this, honestly. But my teeth have kind of came in 3 days a little bit more. And I sleep like this. And my lips are so chapped when I wake up. It is, I got a little rubbing action going on here. My lips are just, they feel terrible. I have to put some chapstick on when I wake up and throughout the day. I have figured out putting it on when you go to sleep helps 100%. I mean, it makes it just all the difference. I have not used the toothbrush they gave me yet. Just because, like, I got the Apple Colgate combination, it connects to my phone. It's got plenty of things. These really don't help with flossing. I mean, they do a great job of getting under, but the time it takes me to do that, I can just slide one through and go like this. It's the same exact difference than what they did. Well, I guess these help, but it's just a little bit inconvenient. I can do it faster the other way around. But eat lots of soft food. I've bought some, cocoa hot cereal. It's just like oatmeal, but it's cereal. It's literally just like cereal, I guess. It's okay. The cocoa is terrible. The brown sugar one, A1. I'm not a big hot cereal fan. I'm not a big, I'm a big cereal eater. I don't eat ice cream, but let me tell you about Frosties. It helps the difference. And ice packs, I mean, day 1, day 2, yesterday, put some ice packs on my face. It helps so much. People who told me to put pillows, I don't know. I don't really feel like putting my face in a pillow or putting a pillow on my face. But, yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. I guess I'll make another one tomorrow. I don't guess. I know I will. But if you guys can think of any pointers, terrible. Peep Slobber. I'm going to have to change these bands here soon already. I'm talking way too much. But if you guys have any pointers or anything, put down in the comment sections. Or if you're looking to get braces and you want to know some things, feel free to ask. I mean, today's only my 3rd day, so I don't know everything. But this retainer's terrible. Don't get one. But like I said, I don't know everything, but I can definitely try to help answer your guys' questions. Have a good one.